And start. Go.
Hi guys, my name is Rafael, but I'm gonna make a new video.
Closer.
But I'm up to playing. Oh man, I hate these things. Finally. Well, I'm playing these.
Welcome to Super Slime Blitz!
Sorry.
Our first contestant.
Okay, just skip this. I used to be helping my brother making a video, so yeah, enjoy his video. Okay.
My channel is Fusion X Gaming.
Yep. Well, look, I got too much of these things. Well, I'm being this. I'm gonna be William. I'm gonna play and make one cup of him. Okay, but it's fun. Enjoy my video, but I never make one until like last year or this year. I don't know. But I like being subscribing. I subscribe too much videos, but yeah. Oh man, no. Oh, I got these slime things. Sorry, I'm gonna get on me. Oh man, I died. He's crying. Okay. No. Well. Okay, this is just my brother.
Yeah, every time he loses the game, I'm gonna have to squirt him with water.
No.
Okay, fine.
Oh,
That's it. Should put face cam.
okay. So I like being in this, but really disturbing. Okay, I'm choosing my character now. Oh gosh, I'm just sweat. Well, who cares about it? But you think about gonna be walking now. Okay, but sometimes like my eyes are burning because he spread water on me. Oh man, I hate these pussies. Okay, let's go. Okay, go over here, break these. Okay, whoa!
You don't want to play.
Tell me, okay? Okay, so then I'm gonna be done about it, but I think I'm not even doing
Yeah, my brother's a starter, so.
Whoa, don't me. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, let's go. Oh, I got a key. I don't wanna die. I lose. Break these, so yeah. Ah, damn it.
You don't want me to squirt you?
No. Bubble nuggets.
Bubble nuggets.
Okay. Well, I'm better. I had a alley square last time when I was playing this thing. Please stop my brother. Well, days for days I've been playing these games for like a lot of times.
Subscribe to me. I have 44 subscribers.
Don't just listen to him. Okay. Well, these. Whoa. Oh, yeah, it's dead. I mean, these. Okay, but who thinks about my damn things or something? Okay, I'm just breaking anything. Oh man, that's like my fault. I'm ready. No, I'm not. I got donuts. I don't know why I got donuts. Okay, but I think about something about like these subscribers. Subscribe to my brother or something.
Yeah, subscribe to me.
Yep. But you think about my excuses, but some days, oh man, oh I almost lose. Yes. See? Oh, come on. Okay, so I don't know why I'm almost there. I almost freaking made it. I almost freaking made it. Okay, I'm going. Go, go, go. Please, 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 please. Okay. Whoa, I don't want to burn this fire slime. Okay. Okay, I have 199. Oh, 200. Okay. And almost there. Okay. Whoa, no, no! Please, no. Okay, please, please, please. I've been doing this like 10 days. Ah! Double nuggets.
Why say that?
I don't know. I don't know. Okay, be quiet. Well, I'm almost done playing. Okay.
Log in with facial recognition.
Sorry.
It's okay. I got her, really. Okay, now I got the cloud, bro. I don't know what's her name. See, I really got her. I didn't buy her.
Which one?
This one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You probably clicked it by accident. Maybe you got it for free.
I'm gonna be Darwin.
Yeah, that's my favorite character.
Okay, let's go. I'm gonna be finishing almost. There you go. Go. Oh no. Come on, I'm almost there. Oh, there we go. No! 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 Fine, I'm gonna.
Face the fire.
Don't finish the video now.
Ice. In Sonic
Yes.
Boom, Fire and Ice. Join with Sonic and friends for epic
You want to
battles,
finish the video?
endless runs. Sonic Boom, Fire and Ice. Rated everyone.
The hell? No! Oh, I'm almost through the door. I'm gonna go to the damn door. Okay. Now, I'm almost done making these videos, but I gotta be already cool or something. I don't know, but keep these. That'll be Anton. Okay, I'm gonna be so happy when I lose, but I'm not gonna be really happy. Yeah. 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 That. Okay, let's go. Oh, this looks like a gun. And then you can go to that box. Go to that one. Why do you need boxes? Oh, please. Almost done, please. Almost. Yeah. Yes. Okay, Mom, already done, so I'll see you. I'm gonna make another video later or something, I don't know, but yeah. Bye.